This is another thing I wanted to follow up on in that last video of the infrared satellite from the DuPage University satellite loop imagery. Let's see, if you put this in a loop, I wanted to take a look at this section down here in Baja. There's this artifact that pops up on the screen here, if you notice, right here, where this black strip comes into play right in the first couple segments of the loop. Boom, boom, comes up right about here. There it is, right there. Back that up. I thought that was pretty interesting. I don't know if it's some kind of manipulation or if it's just some kind of artifact from the data processing, but it might be revealing because it follows the curve of the cloud cover that's generated. Oh, there it goes right there. I'll try it one more time. You slow the animation speed down so you can catch it right there. But anyway, what I think's going on is that down here you've got this plume that's coming up. It's creating this layer of stratus clouds, and eventually this is going to rise up and get us here in Arkansas, and it's going to put another layer of clouds. There was a couple hours in there at sunset where it cleared up for a little bit, and then it's starting to cloud up again. But I think that's just the stratus clouds that are building up. But something's going on down here in Baja, and there's this huge amount of low pressure that's building. So water vapor is accumulating, it's getting pushed by the jet stream, and it's going to go back through the south and the Midwest. But let me go on to the NexRAD sites here. I wanted to show you that plume that originated in Baja goes up into the NexRAD site at Dallas. If you click on that, let that animate, it'll show something pretty interesting here. I wanted to show you this. There's this plume that comes by right there, and it goes above the NexRAD site in Dallas. And this is a pretty tight glob of water vapor. It could be a chemtrail. There's no way to determine that unless somebody has spotted that on the ground. But it's nighttime, so it's probably hard to tell. But as this glob comes over the NexRAD site, it gets pulsed and it's pushed into one of those characteristic type chemtrail plumes. But I don't think this was a jet that left this trail. I think this was some kind of water vapor ball that got dispersed as it went over the pulsed wave of the NexRAD site. So watch this animation. Boom. Opens up and it heads northeast into southwestern Arkansas. Look at that. I mean, that's incredible. It goes from a tight ball to a strip to a filament in a matter of probably 20 minutes.